All right, today we're gonna learn how to paint this toilet paper roll.
All right, the question today is, what is a paperless toilet?
All right, let's run through the color. Plain red, early red, Van Dyke brown, raw sienna, primary yellow, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, phthalo green, titanium white, Mars black. All right, today we're gonna do a painting of toilet paper. We got our initial kind of yellow-red layers. We got the toilet paper in there. I think proportionally wise is correct. We just need to add more color in here to kind of fill in the gaps. Some of this is pretty light, so we'll add a second layer. I think it'll really pop, and then we'll see if it's done from there.
So a paperless toilet was an invention from Japan. They kind of took the bidet, which was this kind of secondary toilet. Your toilet is your primary, everyone's familiar with. You do one or two, use toilet paper, wash your, and then flush it down the toilet. And bidet is this kind of secondary toilet that you sit on, squat over, and you can wash your genitalia. It's very popular for women during their periods and during kind of Arabic cultures where the Quran was very prevalent. That became kind of popular. It was always popular to wash very thoroughly the genitalia, so they adopted this bidet invention and made it popular. So the Japanese kind of took it to the next level up. So they added, they made it really deluxe. Has water that comes out obviously like a bidet off your toilet, so it's kind of a combination of toilet and a bidet. So you can sit on one device, which is kind of handy, and then it has a dryer, so it not only are you gonna wash yourself after you finish your one or two, then you come back and then you get the nice washing, and then you got a dryer, so everything's nice and dry and clean as a whistle, so to say. And these toilets are very expensive. They're like, if you go to like a Home Depot and get a normal toilet, it's probably 150 bucks. And if you got a bidet, might be a little more in the States, but in Europe where it's more common, it's probably another 150 bucks, right? Basically the same device with it's just a bowl with faucets on it, so it's pretty simple. But the Japanese one, since it's a toilet combined with a bidet plus a dryer, I think they start at some crazy price, like $2,000. So the Japanese have the cleanest ass in the world. So that's what the paperless toilet is all about. And for those who have them, no toilet paper shortage during coronavirus. And that's my question of the day.
All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So I got this really intense yellow for the background, which sits really well with gray and white paper, I think. We got a red background and below. It's kind of like that McDonald's colors, red and yellow. I think that works pretty good. Allows the toilet paper to really sit apart. You got a little bit of a shadow forming. It's not very dense. I probably could paint another color in there just to get the shadow, but for me, I think it's good enough. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. My cat doesn't like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting review. Thanks for watching, guys.